Hey guys, welcome to a video, and well, today we're doing an unboxing video because, ta-da! Look at that. It's a 3D printing pen by Smartgear, and you can get this at Kohl's. They're 60 bucks, but I got mine 24 bucks. So, all right, let's get straight into it. First, we need to take the sticker off and, well, just do a little bit of big action. Okay. Oh boy. Okay. Okay, so first we need to get this out, the actual thing, and you have to get this out. Put that in. Okay. Now we just have to untie this. All right. And then just have to. And plug it into this. And final step. These wires. Alright, we're back with these wires and the instruction manual and these papers, the other one, last one. So first of all, we need to let's get this thing connected in. I think that's how it goes. All right, I got it loaded up, and I'm gonna try and draw proper awesome. Okay, so. It's like a lot harder than it looks. Like, this is pretty hard. If it looks easy, comment down below if it looks easy or not, because this is not easy at all. To you guys, it's upside down right now, but I'm gonna make it upside down for me. That way you guys can see it. Boy. Yeah, this is not turning out so well. Okay. Oh, like that did not look good. I mean, comment down below if you think it's good or not. I'm gonna do the same part. Yeah. Even though this is like super duper hot, like I can take it off. It doesn't. It like gets cold like easily. Yeah. Just gonna take it apart. Oh snap, dude! Okay, well that didn't really turn out so good because that thing like went all crazy and stuff. So I'll like practice a lot more and like, you know, I'll try to make it a lot better and make it 3D this time, because this was just 2D. So I'll see you later.